Global Connections has been around since 1996. We're a full-service travel agency, but above and beyond that, we're a vacation club also. We can travel anywhere in the world.
So we have about 80 employees that are located here in Overland Park. We have some at our offices, most of them located in Florida, where the travel industry is booming. Our biggest problem is the fact that all of our IT staff is located in Overland Park. It's such a small company, you kind of have to be a jack of all trades. We actually house 60+ websites. We have a couple of SQL servers, and we do all of our coding in-house. Reliability is always a big thing with any company. I mean, we are a 24-hour company. You know, just because everybody goes home doesn't mean that people aren't logging into our websites, trying to access our SQL server, purchasing vacations, or buying different products. So, 100% reliability. I guess you go with the 5 nines is always an ultimate goal.
We had around 20 different servers running all the different services that we needed for our network. We hadn't really standardized on anything. We ran into a lot of problems with reliability. Things were getting older. We basically about twice a quarter had a server failure, whether it was a disk failure, card going out, something like that. And that just wasn't the way, as we needed to move forward, we wanted to run our business. I looked at all the big players out there. I looked at Dell, I looked at HP Compaq, I looked at IBM. Everything that is in our data center today is all IBM. So whether it's my Blade Center E or my Blade Center H, my HS22Vs, HS20s, my DS4300, my Brocade switches, IBM Fabric switches, everything has been 100% reliable.
We ended up tripling our capacity. It's met the 5 nines.
The HS22Vs with the Intel Xeon 5500 processor was really the right fit for what we needed. Once we went to the Blade Centers and virtualization, we can bring up a new website or add another SQL server within hours. Not only do my techs not have to come in on the weekends to service equipment, but we can deliver to management the solutions they need within days that used to take us weeks.
It's very scalable. If we ever run out of capacity now, we can always just pop in another Blade.
We've added about 50,000 members. And the amazing thing in that is I really haven't seen much change at all. So that just tells me the decision I made for these HS22Vs is the right decision to move us on at least through the next 5, if not 10 years.
The IBM Blade Center HS22V has saved us a lot of money.
Moving to the Blade Center originally, we reduced our costs in electricity alone 65–70%. Moving to the HS22Vs, we brought that down by another 15%.
The HS22Vs give us the capacity to be able to do all of our stuff better. So that way our employees can work more efficiently and easily, and so they can get their jobs done more effectively.
Today, Global is solely based in the US, but with the IBM solutions we have in place now, as our company grows and we expand, we're ready for it.
Global Connections, this is Peggy. May I help you?
If we could travel people to the moon, IBM could do that for us.